a bit on logical reasoning, question 39, WASSCE 2025, further mathematics for Ghanaian students. So if P and Q are two simple statements, which of the following is equivalent to the statement P then Q? If P then Q, meaning if P is true, then Q is true. You're looking for equivalence. All right, but you can see there are other negation, which is contrapositive statement. So here, if I'm having this, if P is true, then Q is true. To find the contrapositive statement, which is equivalent to this, it means that if Q is not true, then P is not true. We begin from here. If this is true, then this is true. If P, then Q. But for the contra negative, or let's say contrapositive equivalent, it means that we begin from here. That means that if Q is not true, then P is also what? Not true. So let's check which option will go for that. This is not equivalent because this is negation. This is not negation. Negation. We can see it in that case. So I go for the option what? B. Here negation positive. Here we are beginning with if not this, if not this. But it's supposed to be from the right to the left. All right. You can share your thoughts with your own descriptions in the comment section as we keep learning together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.